Hey y'all, today I'll be showing you how I achieved this braid style using pre-stretched braiding hair from Beyond Beauty, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be attempting to do the butterfly braid, aka mermaid braid. I don't know, I call it a mermaid braid, but when I search it up, it just comes up as a butterfly braid. But as you see in the intro, it is that fluffy two braid thing that ends up into one braid. I don't know. First I started off with parting my hair into two parts. I wanted like a little swirly like part. I think that's the part that it's supposed to be. I've seen some people with straight parts, and I've seen like some with like no part or like a half a part. But yeah, so I did two separate parts. And now I'm just putting the hair into a ponytail holder to keep the parts separated. Now I'm going to blow out my hair because this is too much to be braided down into two braids. So I'm gonna have to blow out my hair and press it down. I'm not too worried about heat damage because I don't apply heat to my hair too often. So as you can see, it's pretty okay for right now. I was thinking about putting a texturizer, but that's another story. So anyways, I've already applied some honey butter and heat protectant, and I'm gonna go ahead and blow out my hair and hot comb it. Alright, so now that my hair is flat, I'm going to go ahead and braid it down close to my edges because I want it to hang like in my forehead to cover my forehead some. So yeah, I brought the braid all the way down to my hairline, and I was kind of like trying to not include my edges, but it was kind of got included anyway. But afterwards I pulled them out. So yeah, I know that I could have used edge control or gel to slick my hair down if I didn't want to add heat, but I'm not one of them people that's afraid of heat, so I figured I would just use the blowout and hot comb to make my hair flatter so that I'll be able to grip it better for these braids. And I knew I wasn't going to be leaving the hairstyle in long, so I didn't want to add too much product on that I would have to like spend all day washing out of my hair. So yeah, back to these braids. As you can see, the next braid, I'm doing the same thing, braiding it very close to my edge, and I'm leaving my edges out kinda, and you can kind of see the little part that I did. I couldn't get a good angle. But then I got the Got to Be freeze spray and pressed all the little stray hairs down. Now let's get into the hair that I'll be using. The hair that I'm using is the Beyond Beauty Pre-Stretch Braid Hair Professional itch-free hot water satin synthetic fiber ombre yaki texture braid hair extensions. Beyond Beauty braiding hair 8 packs, 26 inches in the color 1B 3827. Now, if you ask my clients, they'll tell you I only use Yaki Hollywood braiding hair. So it takes a lot for some pre-stretch hair to impress me. And this pre-stretch hair, y'all, I'm not lying. This pre-stretch hair is so soft. It is so not what I expected. The last time that I used a pre-stretch hair brand, like some of the strands were short and some of the strands were long, and that's what made it like look feathered. But this hair is just, it's really nice. And the pictures online do the color no justice. This color is so cute, okay? Now for one order, it's $30.99, and they also have a 5% coupon for 8 packs of hair. For this style, I only use 4 packs and 2 packs for each braid. I've already done my baby hair off camera, and I've separated the first pack of hair into 10 parts, making the first 4 parts smaller than the rest of them. I took those first 4 parts and I crocheted them into the beginning of the braid. Now I'm going to go ahead and start braiding my first braid down. I'm making sure that this beginning of the braid is kind of tight, but I'm not gripping it too tight because at the end of the braid I'm going to have to fluff it out. So I'm trying to braid it as careful as possible. And then I'm going to be using like the knotless braid technique or feed-in technique to add in the next 6 parts of hair. And I separated the second pack of hair into 10 equal parts and added those sections of hair as well. I did these braids really long, so that's why I used 2 packs of hair, but you could probably get away with using 1 pack of hair for each braid if you decide to do this style. Once the braid is done, I'm going to go ahead and start fluffing it out, and then take a needle and thread and sew it down to my natural hair braid. Now, I ain't gonna lie, this is my first time doing this style ever in my life. So this braid came out way cuter than I expected it to. Like, this is the finished look of the first braid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps for the second braid. Now, if you watch this video all the way through, you are the real MVP. Like, really, the real MVP. I'm now reaching the completion of this style, and I am very impressed. Like, very impressed with this braiding hair. The hair is so soft. It was so easy to fluff. The color is popping, okay? So big shout out to Beyond Beauty for sending this hair, and a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. If you like this style, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up anyway, because I know you lying. Drop a comment. Let me know how you liking these butterfly braids, aka mermaid braids. Thanks so much for watching my video today, guys. I love you so much.
Me I beg you, me beg I them Father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.